What's going on, guys? You got Corey Neese here, also known as Coach Corey3 over on Twitter. Today we're talking about lead capture page 4 in the share code section. So this is the extra section in Power Lead System. It's under the websites tab, under websites, and then you go to the right hand corner and you can select other templates. So we're talking about this one today. Let's check out their examples. That's pretty cool. I like that. Save 50% on the world's most potent protein. 3.5 times more protein than red meat. Cool deal. Cool. So if you're into that niche, there you go. You got an idea for that. And let's see, what's the second? Okay, I think it's the same deal. Wait, what's the difference? Okay. Okay. So this one, you got a moving video in the background, and the button and the what's it called? The design is a little bit different, where you can put your email in. That little button or little, I don't know what you want to call it, is up a little bit more. So those are the designs there, the ideas. Here's one that I just made, if I can find it. There you go. Put in a picture of myself. Share a little bit about your story, and you got a basic, landing page. So let's see, if I want to go in, let's play around with it, see how it looks with some different designs. I can make a copy. So always click copy if you want to make a copy of that. Capture test 4. If you want to edit the page and make an easy copy, all you got to do is click copy. Test 2. Right from inside your web page section, okay? So just see what I'm doing on the screen, and you'll be able to follow me. So maybe I want to change the background. Right now it's just a plain, it says white, but I believe it's just like gray. So it's just the default gray background there. Maybe I want to put in something like, maybe I want to put in this dog. Cute picture of this little dog. All right, and I want to put in something about, I don't know, how to finally get your dog to sit and obey all of your commands. I have no idea. Maybe you're like a dog trainer and that's what you do. I'm literally coming up with this off the top of my head. So you maybe want to remove that picture. You could put in a picture of like a dog, or you could just leave it like that. I'm gonna hit backspace again. Hopefully that doesn't mess things up. There you go. And then I guess I could change this button picture. I believe I can. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up. Sometimes if you change the button, it messes it up. I could put in, I don't know, let's see, yes, let me in. Put in that. I could try to put that button in. So I'll show you what I mean by, sometimes if you change the button, there's coding that's attached to it in the source, and I believe that it changes the whole function of the page, which is not good usually. But let's move on to the next page. So this is the second test, so that was kind of cool. So okay, so that's what I mean. I don't know why it does that, but for this one, I would leave the button the same, because you see I'm trying to click this button here, and it's not letting me opt in. So basically this lead capture page is not working because I just went ahead and I changed out this button. You see how this is a little technical tip. You see how my mouse, my cursor is turning into that little clicker glove. All right, and that's because if I put in my email here, I could actually click this and go to the next page. I'm not going to, but I know that this works with the original button. So what I would do in this situation, again, I would just delete that page. It's not worth it trying to change it. When a page doesn't work, like a technical side of it, it's not worth it to try to change it. It's too confusing and time consuming. So what I would do, which is really quick, just make a copy. All right, I'm just going to make a copy of this same page. All right, and then I could edit. Actually, let me put in Always connect it to a new subdomain. Always do that. Just makes it easier. Lead Capture 4. All right, Lead Capture 4 Test 2 helps you edit things and make it easier to work with. All right, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it up. Let's just use the dog again, the dog background. Same deal. I could put in whatever I just said. Actually, I'm just going to leave it like this just for illustration purposes and move quick. All right, I'll hit save, and then I'm going to check this page out again. All right. So this page, this is a different subdomain. So this page is the same because I made a copy of it. So that's the same. So you can make a ton of different landing pages really quick to test them. All right, so I can put my email in, and now I can click through. Now I'm not gonna, I just don't want to mess with it. But that's an important little tip. Sometimes when you're changing things out, make sure, make sure that the page works, because the last thing you want to do is send this out and get a bunch of traffic and people putting their emails in, but then they can't become leads because the button doesn't work. So that's really, really, really important tip. So that's one idea. Let's go in here and change it up a little bit just to see how it looks. Maybe you're promoting some kind of make money online program. I could put in learn how to build a huge residual income. I don't know, something like that. In just 30 minutes of work a day. I don't know, something like that. So I'm just showing you guys ideas and examples. I'm not saying I would necessarily use that copy or a headline like that, but that's an idea. So there you go. So a landing page like that. I probably wouldn't use that background because it's kind of in the middle. It looks kind of cluttered. I would use something more like this money here, maybe, or maybe like I want to do like lifestyle, like a beach approach, maybe something like this. This is kind of a cool looking background. Any one of these works, whatever you like, whatever you think your market will like. There you go. That's pretty cool. There you go. So this is lead capture number 4. Again, this is in the extra share code section in your back office, lead capture number 4. And it has special instructions like they all do. So if you want to use these pages, what I recommend, check out the link below. Enter your email at twitterforbeginners.com. Go to twitterforbeginners.com, put your email in right here, and you'll go to a page that explains then how you can sign up for a 7-day free trial and use any of these codes you see.